ये बहुत अच्छा दिन है, ये माइलस्टोन बहुत अच्छा है। प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी जी की विज़न जो हमने गवर्नमेंट के साथ इंडस्ट्री ने साथ में काम किया है और इसलिए हमने ये माइलस्टोन हम अचीव कर सके। इंटरेक्शन में बहुत सारी बात हुई। वी डिस्कस्ड हाउ टू टेक द इंडस्ट्री फॉरवर्ड टू प्रिपेयर फॉर फ्यूचर पैंडेमिक्स, टू कंटिन्यू एनहांसिंग द कैपेसिटी, and so many other things which will support the vaccine industry going forward. All over the world now, countries are going to invest in vaccine production, and India needs to stay ahead. And we discussed how to do that together with industry and government.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Now let us try to know about Mr. Adar Poonawalla and Serum Institute of India. Dr. Mr. Cyrus Poonawalla established the Serum Institute of India in 1966 with the goal of producing life-saving immunity. Mr. Adar Poonawalla, born the 14th of January 1981, is the CEO of Serum Institute of India. Founded in 1966 by his father, Dr. Mr. Cyrus Poonawalla, it is the world's largest vaccine manufacturer in terms of doses produced as of 2017. After graduating from the University of Westminster in London, Mr. Adar Poonawalla joined the Serum Institute of India in 2001. Serum Institute of India (PVT Ltd) is now the world's largest vaccine manufacturer in terms of the number of doses produced and sold globally, over 1.5 billion doses. In 2011, he was appointed CEO of Serum Institute, with full control over the day-to-day operations of the company. Serum Institute of India has been ranked as India's #1 biotechnology company. Mr. Poonawalla then focused on the company's international market and obtained new products licensed and pre-qualified by the World Health Organization for supply to UN agencies. Serum Institute of India manufactures polio vaccine as well as vaccines for diphtheria, tetanus, pertussis, Hep, BCG, R hepatitis B, measles, mumps and rubella. In 2016, he was named one of GQ magazine's 50 most influential young Indians. Serum Institute of India produces highly specialized life-saving biologics such as vaccines, antiserar and other medical specialties using state-of-the-art genetic and cell-based technologies. It sells its products in more than 140 countries around the world, with 85% of its revenue coming from outside the country. He was a key figure in the 2012 acquisition of the Netherlands-based state-run vaccine manufacturing company Bilthoven Biologicals. Poonawalla also serves on the board of Gavi Alliance, a global vaccine alliance. He introduced and launched Serum Institute's oral polio vaccine in 2014. For the production and testing of its life-saving biological substances, Serum Institute of India has established most modern laboratories with high-tech machinery and computerized equipment. Vaccines manufactured by the Serum Institute are accredited by the World Health Organization in Geneva and are used in their national immunization programs in approximately 170 countries around the world, saving millions of lives. Poonawalla Biotech Park in Manjeri, Pune is of 42 acres. This state-of-the-art facility aims to meet the highest standards set by MHRA, US FDA and several regulatory agencies including Europe, Japan and Australia, which were in short supply in the country and had to be imported at exorbitant prices. After that, many life-saving biologics were manufactured at affordable and plentiful prices, resulting in the country becoming self-sufficient for tetanus antitoxin and anti-snake venom serum, followed by the DTP diphtheria, tetanus and pertussis group of vaccines. And then the MMR measles, mumps and rubella group of vaccines. Serum Institute of India now has the flexibility to produce vaccines in more than one plant, allowing a large number of doses to be produced in the shortest possible time. The company has increased the prices of new vaccines like hepatitis B vaccine, combination vaccine, and so on, so that not only Indians, but all underprivileged children around the world are protected. World-class production facilities creating more than 1 billion doses of high-quality vaccine. Serum Institute of India has achieved several technological milestones, including the establishment of a robotic arm to combat viruses, a cell factory and cell cube for cell growth, and facilities for the production of polysaccharide and recombinant vaccines, as well as contains only monoclonal antibodies. Serum Institutes. Quality control laboratories are equipped with a wide range of sophisticated analytical instruments, including HPLC with PBA detector, Fourier transform infrared spectrophotometer, gas chromatograph, atomic absorption spectrophotometer, real-time PCR, Nudynex, Carl Fisher moisture analyzer, ELISA readers, liquid particle counters, capillary zone electrophoresis, Bioplex. The technical team has created systems to ensure that quality is embedded in the process. Serum Institute of India will manufacture products like HPV, Tdap, monoclonal antibody biosimilar, rotavirus vaccine, and recombinant BCG vaccine using state-of-the-art technology.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.